Imagine this. You're at a cafe enjoying a great time with friends. The bill arrives, you open your UPI app to make the payment, and suddenly the transaction fails. Worse, the money is deducted. Your heart sinks. Where did the money go? Has this ever happened to you? If yes, this video is for you. In the next 6 minutes, I'll not only explain what UPI is, but also uncover the 3 most common mistakes that could put your money at risk, and how to avoid them. Stay till the end, because this information could save you from losing your hard-earned money. First, let's understand, what exactly is UPI? Unified Payments Interface, or UPI, was launched in 2016 by the National Payments Corporation of India, NPCI. It's a system that connects your bank account to your mobile number, making cashless payments effortless. No more carrying wallets or remembering long account numbers, just a UPI ID and a secure PIN to pay anywhere, anytime. But here's something surprising. Did you know over 10 billion UPI transactions happen in India every month? Now imagine, in a system this big, even a small mistake can lead to significant financial losses. Intriguing, right? Now here's the issue. As UPI becomes more popular, scams are also on the rise. Let me walk you through the 3 most common UPI scams that could drain your account. 1. Clicking on fake links. Picture this. You receive a text message saying, "Your bank account is blocked. Click the link to update your details." Panic sets in and you click. Moments later, your account is empty. Banks or UPI apps never send such links, so always ignore them. 2. Scanning fake QR codes. QR codes are convenient, but fraudsters have found a way to exploit them. Imagine someone pastes a fake QR code on top of the original one at a store. You scan it thinking you're paying the shop, but your money ends up with the scammer instead. 3. Phishing calls, asking for UPI PIN. Ever received a call claiming to be from your bank, asking for your UPI PIN? Remember, your UPI PIN is personal. No bank or UPI service will ever ask for it. Sharing it could cost you everything. But how do you stay safe from these scams? I'll share the simplest yet most effective tips in a moment. But first, here's a quick question. Do you know the one habit that can instantly make your UPI payments safer? So how can you ensure your UPI transactions are 100% secure? Let's break it down. First, use trusted UPI apps only. Always download apps like Google Pay, PhonePe, Paytm, or your bank's official UPI app. Avoid unknown or third-party apps. Second, set a strong UPI PIN and change it often. Avoid obvious PINs like 1234 or your birth date. Make it strong and remember to update it every few months. Third, stay alert to notifications. Don't ignore alerts from your bank or UPI app. If you notice an unusual transaction, report it immediately to your bank. Think about it. How many times have you unknowingly put your money at risk? Start adopting these habits today and protect your finances like a pro. UPI has revolutionized the way we make payments, but its security lies in your hands. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends and family. It might save them from losing their money. And in the comments below, tell us, what's the most unusual UPI experience you've ever had? See you in the next video!